Now we'll be talking about friction at work. The work done to overcome friction is mainly transferred to thermal energy stores by heating. Let's give 3 examples on friction to prove this statement. First, when you rub your hands together vigorously, they become warm, right? Why? Because your muscles do work to overcome the friction between your hands when they are at motion, and thus the work you do is transferred as energy that warms your hands. The second example is the brake pads on a vehicle. They become hot if the brakes are applied for too long. At the beginning, the friction between the brake pads and the wheel discs opposes the motion of the wheel. Then, the force of friction does work on the brake pads and the wheel discs. Therefore, energy is transferred from the kinetic energy store of the vehicle to the thermal energy store of the brake pads and the wheel discs, making them become hot and transfer energy by heating to the thermal energy store of the surrounding air. And last but not least, the meteorites are small objects from space that enter the Earth's atmosphere and fall to the ground. As they pass through the atmosphere, friction caused by air resistance acts upon them, which results to energy being transferred from the gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy stores to the meteorite's thermal energy store, causing the meteorites to be very hot. And if a meteorite becomes hot enough, it glows and becomes visible as a shooting star. So the phenomenon of a shooting star is due to friction.